Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, my name is Pallavi and today I'm going to be doing a Meesho haul. So I've ordered a bunch of clothes from Meesho and I really love them. So I just thought maybe I should make a video for you all. So I'm super excited and without any further ado, let's get started. So the first outfit that I have got for myself is this beautiful red anarkali kurta set which has very beautiful print all over it, which is tie-dye print. It looks very beautiful. ऐप में जो था वो थोड़ा सा म्यूटेड कलर था तो मुझे लगा कि वो म्यूटेड ही आएगा, लेकिन ये थोड़ा सा ब्राइट रेड आया. लेकिन इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर एनी फेस्टिविटीज और इवन फॉर दिवाली. The back looks something like this, which is a round neck. It has very beautiful dory to it, which has tassels, and I really like the घेर of it. Fabric is organza और आपको थोड़ा सा चुभ सकता है क्योंकि मुझे भी चुभ रहा था. It also has padding to it. Oh yeah, it has full sleeve. मेरे लिए ये थोड़ा सा लूज था, लेकिन it's fine. अगर मैं ऑल्टर करा लूंगी तो it would be like the great fit. और इसके साथ जो पैंट्स आए हैं वो मुझे इतने अच्छे नहीं लगे because it is polyester material. And also you will receive a dupatta with it, which is the same tie-dye print all over it, and it has a little bit of golden border to it, which is very beautiful. With this kurta set you will also get a belt which is very beautiful and it cinches your waist. So मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा लूज था तो इस बेल्ट ने मेरा काम कर दिया. I got it for 1355 rupees, but now it is available for 1250 something, and it's very beautiful. You should get it for yourself 100%. Okay, so the next kurta set that I have got for myself is this beautiful purple kurta set. इसके strappy sleeves है, and the only thing I did not like about this is the straps could have been like adjustable, but these are not adjustable. So yeah, मेरे लिए ये बहुत loose था. Even though I got it in the size extra small, still it was loose for me, and it has very beautiful cut. और cut के दोनों side पे ये embroidery work किया हुआ है, and it does not have like straight cut. It's kind of a V shape and which looks very beautiful. By the way, the neckline पे भी ये ऐसे कुछ tassels या lace लगा हुआ है, which looks amazing. Talking about the fabric quality is very good. Like it's a georgette material, but very good quality of georgette, very comfortable kind of material. It also has like inner lining which is like polyester kind of material. It is also very soft, and yeah, I really liked it. And इसके साथ आपको दुपट्टा भी मिलेगा, same embroidery work and same color and same fabric georgette material as well. And the best thing about this kurta set is these pants, which are very comfortable, and the material is also good. Same lining and elasticated waist, same embroidery work on the border of these pants, which is very beautiful. And these pants are straight fit pants, or you can call palazzo. I really like this kurta set. I just hope that it fits me after I alter it. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so the third kurta set that I have got myself is this beautiful pink kurta set, which has some peach tone to it, and it has very beautiful prints going on. ये भी अनारकली ही है, and इसका घेर भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It has very beautiful border to it, and also on the sleeves. Sleeves are 3/4, not full sleeve. I really like how comfortable it was for me. If you want to get something for yourself for like summers, or for your mom, or for yourself for office or college, it is perfect. It's very beautiful and looks very elegant as well. और आपको इसके साथ पैंट्स भी मिलेंगी with the elasticated waist, and the prints are very nice, and the fabric is very soft as well. और कुर्ता जिस कलर में है, like it's one tone kurta, so it adds very contrasting element to the kurta set. And yeah, border में आपको ये मिल जाएगा. These pants are very comfortable. I will highly recommend you guys get this kurta for yourself. It is very comfortable. And with this kurta set you get this beautiful dupatta with the same print but a lighter shade, which is very beautiful. I really liked it. I got it for like 618 something like that, and I got it in the size extra small. And I don't know what Meesho does with the sizes. It's always like a little bit here and there loose for me, and yeah, highly recommend. Okay, so the fourth kurta set of this haul and the last one is this beautiful white kurta set, which has very beautiful color and prints going on. The detailing on the neckline is very beautiful, like you can see. It is not anarkali, it's normal kurta. With this kurta set you get pants as well with elasticated waist and very beautiful prints, but these are very tight for me. I don't know why. I got it in the size small. The kurta is a little loose for me, but these pants are very tight for me, so I don't know what to do with it. Like अगर मैंने M size में लिया तो मुझे पैंट्स अच्छे से आएंगे लेकिन कुर्ता बहुत ज़्यादा लूज होगा, तो आई विल बी रिटर्निंग दिस वन. So with this kurta set you get this dupatta as well, which is very beautiful, very comfortable and soft fabric, and also it has a border to it. The print is same जैसे पैंट में था वैसे ही print है. Okay, so the kurta set has cotton material as well, but it is a little bit rough material. Maybe after wash it will get softer, just that you have to figure out the fit of the kurta set. And I got it for like 464 rupees, which is quite affordable. So yeah, thumbs up from my side. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did then please do hit that subscribe button. And yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.